My name is Kyla, and I've been working with different mediums. So my first canvas was actually fabric. From there I evolved to walls. Eventually I ended up in the kitchen doing food art, and here I am today working with textiles. For Unbound, I'm creating an installation titled The Fourth Pig. The Fourth Pig installation will take off where the story of the three little pigs ended. It's a hard look at what the detriment of the world could look like if we continue on this path of over-consuming plastic, deforestation, and toxic emissions. The first three houses, it's more of a dramatic look at the mediums that those pigs used prior. So for the first house, instead of using straw, they're using plastic straw. The second pig goes a different approach and uses lumber. Then the third house, we're looking at more modern day. The hope and the happy ending is the fourth pig. This pig was able to learn from the three previous pigs and use a medium that's more energy efficient, more sustainable overall, and that's hemp. The medium I'm using for this installation is hempcrete. The hempcrete is a simple mixture of hemp hurd, limestone, and water. When people come to see this exhibition, it's going to bring up several emotions, but I want them to leave feeling empowered, hopeful, and helpful after seeing the exhibit. For my exhibition, the community day was definitely beneficial. It gave people the opportunity to be part of my creation and for people to kind of realize what their footprint and that impact has on the environment and what they can do to make a significant change. So with the tiles, they were able to write that down and make a commitment to themselves and actually use the hempcrete to lock in that promise. Seeing people experience my piece at the event was surreal. It was just amazing to see just the diversity of people. And for me, the hands-on building of this whole installation started with those individual hempcrete tiles. Being able to have people actually put their love and their heart into the tiles as I did, and they were able to come back and see that displayed. Having the community's involvement and feedback and influence makes them that much more part of it. And just seeing them really kind of understand the message that I was hoping to interpret, just all around, it was an amazing experience.